Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to move all data from your iPhone to Samsung and provide full guide. Please don't skip my video. So let's get started. So at first open your App Store and Play Store. Search it to Smart Switch. Okay. At first need to install these apps. I'm already installed these apps. Press on to open and open this. Then I'm get this interface. Press on, and if you want to transfer iPhone to Samsung or Samsung to iPhone, same process. Like I'm transfer iPhone to Samsung. Select wireless to next. Okay, and select receive on this phone from iPhone or iPad. Okay, using wireless and showing it to QR code. Just scan this QR code, press on to join. Just wait few seconds. And now it's scanning. Okay, if you want to customize, to deselect, showing it to image, video, and select all option. Press on to transfer. Okay, now successfully transferring. When it's complete to 100%, then successfully transfer all data from iPhone to Samsung. That's it.